guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is KK Necessary, and for today's video, where it's almost New Year's, it's actually January 31st, and I am going to try to do better this year. Like, I told myself that for the New Year's I want to do better with my YouTube channel. So this is me telling myself as well as telling you guys that I'm going to try to do better. I know that there will be a situation where I won't be able to vlog during the week because I really don't want to do anything during the week but go to school and all of that. But maybe I'll probably vlog like a day in the life of a teacher, expert teacher or something. I don't know yet, but that's just an idea. But today I just came from school. As I told you, today is Friday the 31st of December, so it's about to be New Year soon, but my house is untidy. Like, I literally need to clean my apartment, so that's what I'm going to do now. Like, look at my apartment, guys. This, you might not think it's dirty, but it's like really dirty. Like, look at shoes here, boxes that I had packages from I need to go, socks here, like socks there. My bathroom is like, I don't even want to show you guys what's there, but I need to throw the garbage. I need, like, I mean, there's socks there in my room that I don't use. Like, what is this? So I need to fix that. My bedroom, it's not that bad. I don't think it's that bad, but yeah, like, I just need to clean up. So I'm going to do that today. I know that you guys can see like the acne on my face and all of that. This week was a very stressful week for me, and it's not because of the acne why it was stressful, but it was stressful, and then I started to break out. Like, some things happened in my life and I don't know, I've been traumatized, guys. Like, trauma. I thought it couldn't get any worse, but it did. Like, literally. Oh, my voice is even changing. I don't want to talk about it that much, but yeah, things happen. I guess it's okay now, kind of, sort of ish, but yeah, I'm so grateful that we kind of figured it out in a sense. But I don't even want to come close because, trust me, it's worse up close. But yeah, I'm gonna clean my apartment. I need to get something to eat because I haven't had lunch, and for breakfast I only had like green juice, so I need to actually get something substantial to eat. But I also want to clean my house at the same time, so that's what we're gonna do for today. I don't know if I'm going out tonight or anything because COVID was in my city for a while, and we became a medium risk city, and like DDs are not going anywhere outside of the city. And I wanted to go to Guangzhou this weekend, but I don't think I'll be able. Well, I'm not going because I won't be able to. I'm not going because I can't get a DD out, and I just didn't want to take any train, to be honest. I think I would be able to take a train, but I don't want to, so I'm not going to go anywhere. I might do something here, I'm not sure as yet. I might. If I do, I don't know if I'm gonna take y'all because I might be going with people who also want to be in a video. I'll be going out tomorrow with some of my co-workers. I might take you guys on that because it's just like a walk in the park. Like, literally, that's what we're going to go for, a like walk. So we'll do that today. It's a lovely day. It doesn't feel that cold. Like, this week has been cold, but it doesn't feel that bad. So today is actually a great day. I need to, as I said, I need to figure out what I'm going to eat for lunch. I have fish in the fridge, but I really don't feel to eat anything that I have cooked, and I don't know why. Well, I know why. I've been cooking for myself for 2 years and some months. I'm really tired of my own food, and I can't wait to go home so that when I get home I have people to cook for me, because I'm literally, if I go to Jamaica, I step foot in Jamaica today, I am not cooking my entire time I'm in Jamaica, I'm not cooking. People are tired for hearing me. Oh, not cooking me. Oh, not miss me. Oh, not love me. Oh, that stuff. I am not cooking for myself when I go to Jamaica. I'm literally done with cooking until I come back in China. Like, yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, I can do that in January. That's one of the things that I'm trying to see if will work. Like, I'm praying to God, not really every day, but every time I remember, which probably sometimes is 3 times or 4 times in a day, that God, you see, I know I said me need for God Jamaica because I'm really tired of being in China by myself. So I need the time to go to Jamaica, you know, touch the people that I love. Some mother, I'm tired at China. Like, I'm literally tired of China. But we are here. It's nothing like the things that we go through here is nothing like what people go through. So for that I am grateful, but at the same time I still want to see my family. So yeah, we're excited to also play to music right now. My song, let me play part of my song for you guys. Of course I can't play all of it, but let me play the song that I've been listening over and over and over and over and over. Moments like when we first break up. Guys, I gained so much weight, like from my birthday in May, which I still have video clips of my birthday, which I don't know why I haven't put out, but from my birthday in May to now, like, I have not been eating healthy. I've not been going to the gym consistent. I'm not doing anything because, like, my life was in shambles. Like, first of all, for my birthday, my students gave me a lot of candies and I ate them all. I'm not supposed, if anybody knows me, I have PCOS. I'm not supposed to be having a lot of sugar because increased insulin and put on weight. So I ate them all because I was very sad and depressed during my birthday time, because I don't know, lots of things that I wanted to go my way was not going my way. And then I also was looking for a new job. If you guys don't know, because I spoke about this, you guys should know, I moved and I'm living somewhere new, and at the time it wasn't looking like anything was gonna happen, but now we are here and we figured it out. I moved to my bum ass apartment. I love my apartment so much, and I used my summer holiday to like fix my apartment the way that I want. It's not fully complete because I want to change the outside. I think I want to change the outside and put it to the way that I wanted it in the beginning, but I don't know yet. And then I'm still thinking about putting a carpet in the living room, which I'm not sure yet, because I'm like, if I have a carpet, how am I going to clean it? I don't want to buy a vacuum cleaner because I'm not thinking about staying in China for the rest of my, well, for a long period. I don't know why I'm leaving China, to be honest, but I'm just like, I don't want to buy a vacuum cleaner and then I leave China in 1 year. Like, so should I really get a carpet? But I want to get a carpet there because I just think that a carpet would make just space just look complete and all of that. Like, and then I have some candle holders coming in soon, but most of the thing that I did it throughout the summer. Like, the summer I was here alone with nothing to do, and I wasn't traveling because I didn't have the money to travel anyways. Like, I quit my job in June, so my last pay was June, and I had to pay rent for here in July, August, because I didn't start working until September. So yeah, I wasn't living hand to mouth, but I was literally trying to keep all the money that I had so that I can pay my rent, buy food, and survive. So I didn't really do anything where it concerns vacation or really have fun. I did kind of sort of have some fun here and there, but it wasn't nothing to like talk about. So My summer was just basically me being at home reading books. Like, I enjoyed, let me show you this book. I enjoyed the hell out of this book, The Little Black Book of Success. Like, this book is for women because it's Laws of Leadership for Black Women. This book was created by 3 amazing women, Elaine Brown and Marsha Haygood and Rhonda McLean. So see how them look nice? They're good black woman. Them look good though. Is it focused? Anyways, buy the book, read the book, or I told myself that I was going to reread the book because there's a lot of things that I really need to read over, because you know, you read a book but sometimes you read the book too fast. So I'm going to go through it again. So maybe while I'm reading the book, I'll give you some gems, drop some gems in my video with what the book is talking about and all of those things. Winter holiday is coming up soon, so I can't wait for that. I'm sure I'll be going somewhere. I'm not sure but I am telling myself I'm going somewhere. I'm not staying home for the entire winter holiday. It's 1 month and I can do lots of things with 1 month. So even if I have to do it by myself, I'm going to go places. Like, I'm not staying here for winter. Nope, not doing it. Hi guys, so my battery died, and as you can see, it is much later in the evening and I'm finished cleaning. I just need to pull my curtains in my room a little because everybody can see in my house once it's nighttime and the lights are on. So yeah, I'm done cleaning everywhere and you'll be surprised at what I did. So remember, I'm telling you that I was not going to touch this room. Look at that. I semi-cleaned it. Some things I don't know where to put them as yet because these are staying here for now. This I need to put in the drawer. But I'm looking for my, I'm trying to look, oh, the wig on the bed. I think I'm going to put it on my head tonight. Probably, I don't know yet. But I'm looking for my batteries for my camera. I can't find them because my battery died. That's why I didn't continue vlogging. But my battery died and I cannot find my replacement batteries for some reason. I don't know what I did with them. Like, I'm looking for them and I don't know where they are. Like, I don't know where I placed them. I honestly don't know. And the last time I remembered, I placed them somewhere and I said, oh, I need to put them something, and now it's like foggy in my head, so I don't even remember where at the time. So I don't know, so I need to find those like tonight because I don't want to replace them again. Like, I paid for those two batteries and now am I going to have to buy 2 more? Guess what? I found them. Like, I found my 2 extra batteries. Yes. So I am going to charge them because, as I told you guys, I'm going out tomorrow. Hopefully. Well, not hopefully, I'm really going out. Like, I literally just make plan with people and then cancel last minute. Like, I'm not the one, nor the 2. I just like to stay in my house sometimes. Even for Christmas, I made plans with some people and then things happened, but it was not really like I changed my mind, but it was just like things happened and I couldn't go, so I stopped doing that. I don't do it often because I don't want to say yes often. Sometimes I'm like, let me think about it, and then thinking about it leads to me saying no. But when I like, sometimes I just want to stay home. Like, most of the time I want to stay home. I don't know why. I don't know when this started happening. Well, obviously because I just want to be home with my family. Sometimes, like, people will not understand because I'm a really quiet person. Like, I'm really quiet until I'm around my family, I'm loud, which them understand, but nobody else now gonna understand it, because I guess I have to be very comfortable with you, and unless you understand me, me understand you, I'm gonna really get used to, you know. But I'm gonna put myself out there and try to make friendship, you know, like good meaningful friends. I think I should do that for myself. So I'm going to do that. I met this girl at my school, this Chinese girl. I really like her and she seems to like me, but we haven't met. We only see each other at school and talk at school. So I'm going to ask her for a WeChat next week if I see her, and then we're gonna be friends. We're gonna be friends, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Well, if it goes good, you'll see her on my channel sometimes, because I don't know why in China they like to use your full name, like all of your name, spell out the light brawling. So anyway, she used my middle name. If you don't know my middle name, you won't know my middle name. No, something just private. Middle name to me private, so that's why I'm gonna understand Chinese. And she called me by my middle name, so I was like, yeah, because that's weird. Nobody calls me by my middle name, because nobody knows it like that, right? So she called me by my middle name, and I was like, she was like, oh, I saw your quotes, because at our school we have this display board where you see the teacher name, a quote that they do, and some stuff, anything you want to put on it. So anyway, she saw mine and she was like, I love the quote. I've never heard of it before. And the quote was, the sky cannot be the limit if there's footprints on the moon. So she was like, yeah, it's really nice, and and then we started having conversation, and from that ever since, I see her, I say hi, she says hi. I don't remember her name, to be honest. But as I said, we're gonna be friends now, so yeah, we can do things together. Girl, you friends, we friends, all of us, you know. I don't know if she's from Dongwon. I don't know nothing about this girl, but we're gonna be friends. So anyways, found my batteries. Oh my god, I wanted to cook dinner today, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to cook dinner, because what I wanted to cook, I have to defrost it. And I don't know, every time I remember to take it out of the fridge, I forget to take it out of the fridge. And it's very tough, and it's already seasoned, so I can't even like put it in water to thaw out, because you know how the process goes. We thaw out the something in the water, and then you rinse off the seasoning and blah blah blah. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat for dinner today. I don't know. Unless I eat some cornflakes. But just wait for something for munch on, to be honest. But yeah, I think I'm going to shower. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to shower. I'm done clean. I'm fine. What I look for. So I'm going to have no more hunting to do. I'm going to shower, do a mask. I'm going to take you guys in that. This man is a private time, so I'm going to shower, do a mask. Probably do my hair since I go tomorrow. Find the outfit that I want to wear for tomorrow. I don't know yet. I don't know if I'm going out tonight still. I don't know. If I'm just on something I want to go out, but I'm just not want to stay at home, to be honest. You know, I could wear, I don't want to stay home, but I could wear, I don't want to go out. The stress. So yeah, that I'm gonna do. I'm just there turn off the light them. Yeah, cause you know, me pay my light bill them, me pay my water bill, me pay my rent. So you know, if you can keep them low, you keep them low. Yeah, I need to buy new roses, but I don't know, I'm obsessed. Oh, come on, stick my lip white. I'm obsessed with roses when they're like dead. Like, it just have a look, it have a vibe, doesn't it? Do you think? But this rose has been here for like 2 months. Oh, there's a I swear to God, I feel like somebody just tried to open my door a while ago. Like, my heart goes up, my heart stop and then start beat fast. That's why I must stop talking so quick. I don't know if I don't hear the noise, but I hear one noise and I swear at my door. Like somebody that tried. Like somebody was close to my door or something. I don't know why. I felt that way, but I felt that way. So yeah, I go do more like an intimate time. Let's see that bump here. Jesus. Yeah, I just make intimate time. Do a mask. I don't know. It feel like it'll get bigger. Do a mask and then chill a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do my ear today. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. But let us see what we want to do. So, bye.